Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start as the host or an assigned co-host. This is required to spotlight. Once in the meeting, make sure the participant you want is on video and visible. Click the participant thumbnail or right-click their video to reveal spotlight options. Choose Spotlight for everyone to fix their feed. If you plan to switch, leave enough time between actions so attendees' feeds update. This initial targeting step locks focus and prevents automatic speaker switching. Once done with the first spotlight, you can add or replace spotlights. Click additional thumbnails while holding the appropriate control in the desktop client to spotlight multiple participants, up to 9. Make sure to manage order if you want a primary focus. Remove and reapply spotlights to reorder. Use the participants panel to confirm who is spotlighted and to remove spotlights cleanly. This keeps the visual narrative consistent for attendees as the session progresses. To finish, remove the spotlight or stop all spotlights so active speaker view resumes. If viewers still see the spotlighted feed or stale video, ask them to toggle between gallery and speaker view or fully relaunch the Zoom app. That often clears client caching. If the spotlight option is missing, confirm your host or co-host status and update the desktop app. These steps close the loop and resolve the usual permission or client-side issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.